Here's how to fix CapCut no internet. Now, if you're on CapCut and you're trying to edit a video, but it says you have no internet connection and the internet is not working, it might look something like this. It says no internet connection, connect to the internet and try again. I'm going to walk you through a few different steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing let's do is hop into a web browser and we're just going to type in speed test here in Google and hit run speed test. You want to check to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. Anything over a few megabytes per second should be good enough. If you don't, you can always just swipe down from the top right, toggle off Wi-Fi or toggle it back on, and basically check between Wi-Fi or cell signal, which one you have a better signal with. Now, the next thing we're going to do is type in is CapCut down and hit go. Now let's go to down detector here and we're going to check to see if there's big reported outages with CapCut. You can see there's nothing here indicating that that's not down. If you do see a big spike in reported outages, most likely it says you don't have internet because these servers are not able to connect with your CapCut app. Now the last thing you can do if it's still not working is let's head into your settings. Let's tap on General and then iPhone Storage. This will show you every single app that's on your phone. And we'll just find CapCut on this list here. Let's hit Show All and find it on this list wherever it may be. Maybe I passed it. Let's scroll back up here. I must have passed it somewhere. There it is, CapCut. And then hit offload and you're going to reinstall this app. Basically what this does is it removes the core version of the app and any kind of bugs or glitches in it should be fixed. So go through the process of reinstalling it and then you should be able to open it up. You should be able to use it as normal and you shouldn't get that no internet error. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.